Hello, myself Nikhil Dhand. I am the partner of Dhand Steel Traders here in Ludhiana. We are basically a bright bar manufacturing unit.
Hello, my name is Amritpal Chaudhary. I am a commerce graduate and have an around of experience around 7 years in the industry. I joined Dhand Steels in the year 2017 and have been working with them since then.
Our company started in the year 1974 with a modest approach, and we started with the company named Dhand Cycle Industries, serving only the bicycle industry. But later on, with coming years and through the hard work of 3 generations, we have entered into automobile industry, the agricultural parts, hydraulic equipments and several other commercial products. Digital transformation has been the backbone of my company, and I strongly recommend every small MSME to come onto digital platforms and showcase their products, and they are available for a whole global opportunity of growth. Game is a platform where I look forward to meet like-minded people and industry experts. These experts are going to teach me a lot more that will make us touch global levels, and an ecosystem of growth can be achieved in India itself. We don't have to go abroad to do all this. And game, I am expecting a lot from you, and definitely we'll be doing big.
Accelerator Ludhiana, सादा कारोबार, पंजाब दी शान।